Hello friends, today we are to see nucleophilic substitution reaction, that is SNI reaction. This SNI reaction is internal nucleophilic substitution reaction. So this is substitution, this substitution is nucleophilic substitution and it is takes place internally. So this is internal nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is the reaction other than SN1 and SN2. We have seen SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction. In SN1 reaction, when alkyl halide undergoes SN1 reaction, gives alcohol with racemization as a product. So depends on the structure of that alkyl halide, we can have the different proportion of inversion and retention. But here in case of SN2 reaction, we get 100% inversion of configuration. So these are the another nucleophilic substitutions. This is unimolecular, this is bimolecular nucleophilic substitutions, in which we have seen this is giving racemization and this SN2 gives inversion of configuration in the product. Now today we have to see internal nucleophilic substitution, that is SNI reaction. In this SNI reaction, when alcohol reacts with thionyl chloride, thionyl chloride is SOCl2. When alcohol reacts with thionyl chloride, it gives alkyl halide as a product. This is an example of SNI reaction, that is internal nucleophilic substitution reaction. When an alcohol reacts with SOCl2, gives alkyl halide with retention of configuration. So the configuration of reactant and configuration in the product is retained, that is the configuration is same. So we get here product with 100% retention of configuration. Now when we see example of alcohol when reacts with thionyl chloride, when ROH reacts with SOCl2, gives RCl plus SO2 plus HCl. So in this way we get here alkyl chloride from the alcohol with the help of SOCl2, thionyl chloride. So this is called as thionyl chloride. Here we get alkyl chloride as a product, and this alcohol is converted to alkyl chloride with retention of configuration. Now we have to see its complete stereochemistry of SNI reaction and why it is called as here this internal or intramolecular we can say. So this is internally takes place in the compound when it reacts with SOCl2. Now we have to see one example of a chiral molecule in which the OH attached to chiral carbon. So here this is OH, it is attached to this R, this hydrogen is behind, and here this R dash is above. So here this is chiral alcohol having OH, R dash and hydrogen. So when this chiral alcohol reacts with SOCl2, this lone pair of oxygen attacks on sulfur. This electron density goes to oxygen, returned from oxygen to sulfur, and this chlorine detached or departed. Now this chloride combines with this proton, so there is a loss of hydrogen chloride. So HCl is lost during this reaction and we get here an intermediate alkyl chlorosulfonate. This R, this is hydrogen behind, this R dash is above, and here this O, yes, double bond O, and here this Cl. So this is called as alkyl chlorosulfite. Alkyl chlorosulfite. Now this alkyl chlorosulfite loses sulfur dioxide. How it lost sulfur dioxide? This bond shifted here, electron density goes to oxygen, returned from oxygen, and this chloride is detached and it forms intimate ion pair with this carbocation from the same side. So here we are having this R, this H, and this plus, and this Cl minus. So this is here intimate ion pair is formed. So this chloride is attaches from the same side from which SO2 is departed, and so this losses SO2. So there is a loss of sulfur dioxide gas. Now this combines from the same side. Before the geometry of this carbocation changes, this immediately combines with this carbocation, and we get product this C, R, hydrogen is behind, this is R dash, and here there is a Cl. So the attachment of OH and the Cl is on the same side. So here this is retention of configuration. So configuration is retained, 100% retention of configuration. So what happened here in this reaction? This oxygen attacks on the thionyl chloride, departs Cl, it combines with this proton, losses HCl, and we get this alkyl chlorosulfonate, and here this SO2 is lost from this to give here the intimate ion pair in which Cl is very closer to this, it immediately attacks on this, and we get alkyl chloride with retention of configuration. So in this reaction 100% retention we observed. So the stereochemistry or configuration of reactant and the configuration of product remains same. If it is having R configuration, it must have R configuration. It is having S configuration, it is having same configuration. So the configuration is retained in the product. The configuration is retained. So this is called as retention of configuration, 100% retention of configuration. So this is here called as SNI reaction. Why it is called as SNI reaction? So here this chloride is there in this alkyl chlorosulfonate, and this internal chloride attacks internally to this carbon from the same side from which SO2 is departed, and we get here this intimate ion pair. This chloride immediately attacks here before the geometry of this carbocation changes, because it is very closer to this, because SO2 is detached, and this Cl immediately goes close to the C plus, and it combines here and gives configuration retention. So the same configuration is obtained in the product. If in this reaction we add pyridine as a base, so it forms pyridinium complex in which chloride acts as a strong nucleophile. It attacks from backside and gives 100% inversion of configuration. Means in the same reaction when we are using pyridine as a base along with this, so it may gives inversion of configuration. But here we have to see the retention of configuration through the reaction of alcohol with SOCl2. Now we have to see few more examples of this SNI reaction. When we have another alcohol C6H13, here there is a hydrogen, and here there is methyl CH3. So this is 2-octanol, 6, 7, 8, 2-octanol. When this 2-octanol reacts with SOCl2, thionyl chloride, this lone pair attacks here, this Cl departed, and we get here this product, this intermediate first, C6H13, here there is hydrogen, there is methyl, here this O, yes, double bond O, Cl, this attacks internally, it combines with this. If we are writing both these steps simultaneously here, then here this Cl combines from the same side, and we get C6H13, hydrogen, methyl, here there is Cl with retention of configuration. So this is 100% configuration is retained in the product after loss of SO2. So here the configuration is retained. So here we have shown the simultaneous two steps in this. So Cl attaches from the same side as the SO2 goes away from this electropositive carbon. This electronegative chloride attaches from the same side with respect to this SO2. So this is the internally chloride acts as an internal nucleophile. So here this chloride acts as internal nucleophile. So here this is nucleophilic substitution at internal. So this is internal nucleophilic substitution. Now I have to say next example. When we have examples such as phenylethanol, CH3, here there is hydrogen, here there is phenyl, PH, and here there is OH. So this is phenylethanol, but it is chiral. It is here chiral. So its configuration is 1, 2, 3. So it is having R configuration. When it reacts with SOCl2, gives product phenyl ethyl chloride, CH3, hydrogen, here there is a phenyl, and it is having again same configuration R. So this is retention of configuration. So configuration is retained completely. So here in this again the Cl is acts as an internal nucleophile in the alkyl chlorosulfide. So this is alkyl chlorosulfide intermediate is formed. So such intermediates are also isolated. So the existence is also reported here in this SNI reaction. So internally Cl is attacking from the same side, from the SO2 is departed. So here this is internal nucleophilic substitution reaction having retention of configuration. When alcohol reacts with SOCl2 thionyl chloride, gives alkyl chloride as a product with 100% retention of configuration. Thank you.